Electioneering is intensifying in poll-bound Tripura. The frontline campaigners of the BJP, which includes the party's national president JP Nadda, will address election rallies at Amarpur and Pabiachera. India condemns violence by Khalistani extremists in Australia targeting Indian community and urged local authorities to investigate and punish perpetrators. Legendary filmmaker and Dada Saheb Phalke Award K. Vishwanath passed away at a private hospital in Hyderabad. He was 92. Ganga Villas River Cruise is a momentous development that shows the power of the river system to connect India and Bangladesh and its people, says the High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, Pranay Verma. The Quad Senior Group of Australia, India, Japan and the United States have reaffirmed their commitment to advance a free and open Indo-Pacific which is inclusive and resilient.